Another lonely ride tonight. Midnight train keeps rolling slow. Neon lights begin to glow. Lonely hearts across the town, searching while the rain falls down. Street reflections on the glass, watching every memory pass. Your silhouette still fills my mind
like a dream I cannot hide.
Taxi lights and smoky bars, broken wishes under stars. Every station feels the same since the night you walked away. I still hear your gentle voice calling softly through the noise. Even though the years have passed,
part of us was built to last. Every song upon the radio
brings me back to long ago,
when forever felt so real,
and love was all we could feel. Midnight train, take me away, back to yesterday. If I had one chance again,
I would never let you in.
through the city lights tonight, under glowing signs so bright.
No matter where this road may go,
My heart still won't let go. Midnight train, carry me through the rain.
oh, love songs inside my head. Every word reminds me then your memory still remains.
Like echoes through the rain.
Coffee shops and crowded streets still feel empty without me.
You were every shining light
In my endless city nights,
final spinning soft and low, like the nights we used to know. Dancing slowly hand in hand, making dreams we thought would stand. Maybe time keeps moving on, but the feeling's never gone. 'Cause every heartbeat deep inside
still belongs to you tonight.
If I could return once more to the love we had before,
I would hold you through the night.
never let us lose the light. Midnight train, take me away, back to yesterday. If I had one chance again,
I would never let you in.
neon skies above the town, while the rain keeps falling down.
Even if you're far away,
I still love you every day. Maybe we were just too young,
to know how love could come undone.
but your touch still feels